What about if I wanted to know the maximum number of minutes per day, the most? I want to know who, maybe I'm giving a prize to the person who's spent the most number of minutes per day reading. So I need to find that. Now, what we need to do is, as always, it's an equal sign because we tell it we're going to be doing some calculations. We're going to, this one's pretty easy. It's equals max. For maximum, we open up the bracket and we want to find the maximum number that's in that column of all of those numbers that are the minutes of the day. So again, we're looking at the starting point is cell E2 and the ending point is cell E9 because we want to find the largest number in E2 to E9. Close my bracket, enter, and I can see that that is 40. So whoever has 40, they're the winner of my prize. Why don't we do min while we're here as well? So equals min, I open up my bracket, and it's exactly the same. E2 to E9, and you see that highlights it there, shows you the cells that are going to be part of that function. And I close the bracket, and so the smallest number from E2 to E9 is 8. Now I could just eyeball that, so it's not really any point in doing it for such a small data set. But when you're looking at a larger data set, this becomes really valuable. So let's do that here. So equals max. This time, remember I've got 101 is my final row, and we're looking at column E. So let's look at that. So E2 again, but this time the ending column, the ending cell, sorry, is E101, E101. Close my bracket. And I can see now that someone's actually done 45. And let's have a look and see if there's what the minimum is here. Equals min, open my bracket, and it's again E2 to E101, E101, close my bracket, and there you go. So the lowest number is 5. So we know that we need to give that person a little bit of a nudge along. So that's how you do max and min.